Hi friends, I am Shreyas. Here is quick world and India news. World news. NASA says two big space rocks will pass by Earth today. One is as tall like a 30-floor building size. The other one is a bit smaller. They are very far away, so no need to worry. దూరంలో ఉన్న ఆకాశకాయాలు మనకు ఎటువంటి ప్రమాదం లేవు. So no need to worry. Coming to the India news, America has increased tax on India goods to 50%. Experts say this can slow down India's money growth and next year. ఈ నిర్ణయం మన ఆర్థిక వ్యవస్థపై ప్రభావం చూపవచ్చు. That's all for now. I am Shreyas. See you tomorrow with more news. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.